Hello, welcome back. In this video, we'll be talking about the order by clause. The order by clause is used to sort the data in absolute or distinct order based on one or more columns. So, for you to do this, you can actually sort more data from your table based on certain columns defined by you. Let's take the example, we want to set values of our customer table. We say select from customers order by let's say first name. Remember the column should be existing there, age and last name. Last name, everything is should be existing. So it is there, that means let's check be sure it is there. Okay, that is you can actually select. We see here we only have we say order by first name, age and telephone. Select star. So from star means that what we are selecting everything. That's why everything is appearing. And first name, look at here, first name, age and telephone. Look at here in this column, is that there it's going in ascending order. So by default it is in ascending order. So if we decide to use the same statement and then we remove let's say first name, and then we want it to be in descending order, we're going to use DESC. That is to make it to be in descending order. So look at it here now. First name column is that first name column is in descending order. Last name is not in order. That's why we are, because when you put order by default it takes it in absolute order. But if you don't put it, it's going to give you in in any order. Okay, since we have said our statement is order by first name, let it be in the same order. That is why we are having this first name coming down in same order. What put in ascending order, can put ASC. ASC permits you to put everything also in ascending order. Let's add that to our column, which is our last name. See how it is. It's like ascending order. Yeah, it's how it goes. And yes, first name. Yeah, Peter. See, this is last name. Which Yes. Select order. Yes. This document has been so that's how actually you can easily use the order by clause. Order it, you work either in ascending order or descending order. So thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.